Hey guys, welcome to my first video and to my channel obviously. If you guys like it, definitely comment down below and click that subscribe button and follow me. If you don't, that's totally okay. I won't judge you. There's other channels and videos to watch. But if you do like it, definitely stay tuned. This will be a beauty and life video. And lots of bloopers. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alrighty, so I just finished washing my face and the cleanser I've been using today is the Kosmea Purifying Cream Cleanser. I've been using this for a month now and I love it just because it really does clear up all of the impurities and dirt in my face throughout the day. And also when I'm wearing makeup, it helps remove it. It says here it removes the day with a gentle skin nourishing cream cleanser with Australian avocado oil and witch hazel. So it really does feel nice. So after that, I'm gonna go in with toner. And today I'm gonna be using the Thayers Witch Hazel, which I'm sure a lot of you guys already know and heard about. I've been using this for a month now, and honestly, the skin improvement, if you guys can see, is very smooth. If you guys know me in high school, you would know that my face was very acne prone. I still get breakouts every now and then, but I find that only happens for when I'm not eating properly or there's just something in my diet that's changed. So I'm just putting it all over my face. Forget your neck. I always make sure to get my neck because that's the first sign of aging. And tone your ears as well in case people put the foundation in your ears. Okay. So now that, while that's drying, I actually like to do a two-type toning situation. So the next one I'm gonna go in with is this one right here, and it's the John Masters Organic. Now this one has white green tea and rose and aloe, and this one's just like, I just like that it gives me a nice nourishment after I put that on, the first toning on. I could be doing it wrong by putting two toners on, but comment down below, let me know. And this one, like I said, it has like a green tea smell to it, so it's just super refreshing throughout the day. And I like to just let that dry on my face. Go in with my serums. So the first serum I'm gonna go in with is The Ordinary's The Buffet. Now this one says it's just a multi-technology peptide serum, and it's just a good base overall on your face. Now, I don't know if you guys have been reading the gossip or the news of what's been going on at The Ordinary, but there just seems to be a lot of drama surrounding the owner, Brandon, and how he's like very controversial on his Instagram. Personally, I have nothing to say other than please do not let the prices of my serums go up. It's someone else's business now, so. The next one I'm going to go in with is the Salicylic acid. Now this one is very strong, but I only target certain areas with this one. So with this one, I'm going to only target right here, which is where I have my cyst acne. And I'm just going to do one drop and then just blend it in. Now I almost burnt down the house yesterday. I was cooking and I got distracted with keeping up the Kardashians because even though everyone has all the opinions to say, and I have a lot of opinions about the Kardashians, that editing team knows how to do a good show because that show is very well edited. And yesterday's episode, they were in Japan and Kim was like, y'all should just check it out if you want to watch it. Keep up with them because, no, but it's definitely nice just to sit back and wind down and just watch something. Once that's all in and beautiful, I'm gonna go in now with a little bit lighter oil. I'm gonna go in with the beet oil right here, and it's a daily supportive formula for all skin types. It's a water-based oil, and I like it just because it helps with like my rosacea. I don't have a lot, but like anywhere that I do have red marks or any unsmooth surfaces, this definitely helps smooth it out. And I like how the color of it is a green. So same situation, just 3 drops. Just apply it all over the face. what kind of skincare do you guys like to do? Any recommendations that you would want me to do? If so, let me know down below. This is just my daily, everyday morning routine. It helps. I find that it's not so heavy on my skin. So after this, I'm gonna put on obviously my face, get ready for the day, and we'll see you from there. But after this stuff, it's just absorbing in. Now I'm gonna go in with a moisturizer. So I'm still currently using the Aveeno Fresh Essentials. Now this one has Daily Nourishing Moisturizer A, C, and E, and has an SPF of 30. And it smells good. I've been using this honestly, I think since grade 12. I still haven't stopped yet. It gives me that memory, you know, when you like have certain scents that just brings you back. This is it. So again, I like doing this like tap motion. I don't like pulling on my face anymore. Read online that if you pull on your face, essentially you're pulling and you're helping gravity pull your skin down and making it saggy. So I actually like to do a little bit of like a slapping motion and tapping motion to get the product in. But also, if this is my morning routine, slapping my face also wakes me up a little bit. And that's pretty much that. So that's how I do my skincare routine in the morning. If you guys want to know any more questions or have any questions at all, comment down below. I will definitely be reading all of that. And then stay tuned to see how I get ready for my everyday look.